I see a confused face. No? What kind of faces are up there? Thank you so much for looking in my eyes. I love your beautiful eyes, Louise. You are so special. Know that you are so special to mine. And I love being here with you. And you've been so special.
I don't want it.
No, you don't have to. And I love playing all these games with you. And I love crawling through the tunnel with you. And I love rolling on the floor with you. I love doing jumping jacks with you. Oh, thank you for telling me. Don't say something to you again. You got it. No, oh, now you want me to say something? How about abracadabra, abracadabra? Please wipe away, Elisa. No, not that one. Abracadabra, abracamile. Somebody make Elise smile. Oh, that one didn't work either. Abracadoodle.